Hi there, welcome to the video. In this video, I am going to explain about the PHP if else. So let us understand the concept of if else.
The PHP if-else statement is used
To test conditions, there are various ways to use if statement in PHP. The first way is using if. PHP if statement allows conditional execution of code. It is executed if condition is true. If statement is used to execute the block of code exists inside the if statement only if the specified condition is true. Now let us understand this concept more through a program. If I write $a is equal to 1 and write here if $a is equal to 1. So here I have given the value of a is equal to 1, and in the if statement I gave $a is equal to 1, which is true, so it will print the statement the value of a is equal to 1. Let's see its output. Yeah, it's print the statement because the condition is true. If I write here false statement, $a is equal to 2, then it will not print this statement. Yeah, it will not print. Here if statement is true, then it will execute the code inside it. The second if PHP if else statement is PHP if else. PHP if else statement is executed whether condition is true or false. If else statement is slightly different from if statement. It executes one block of code if the specified condition is true and another block of code if the condition is false. Now let us understand this concept through a program. So here from the same program I am writing adding else statement. Here I am writing echo the value of a is not equal to 1. So this statement executes if the statement is false. First, what will happen? It will go to the if statement. If it statement is true, then it will print this line echo the value of a is equal to 1. If it is not true, then it will print this statement. So if I give here 2, it will print the else part. If I give here 1, it will print the first if part. So let's give here 2, then it shall print else part. Yeah, it print the else part. If I give here the 1, then the if part becomes true, so it will print the first part. Yes, it prints the first part. The third type is if else if. The PHP if else if is a special statement used to combine multiple if else statement, so we can check multiple conditions using this statement. Let us understand the concept through a program. So if I give here b is equal to 2, $c is equal to 3, then if I write here $a is less than $b, here I wrote a program to print the smallest value among the three variables. So first it will go to the if statement, then it will check this part. So here $a is smaller than $b, so 4 is smaller than 2, which is false, and it will not check this second part, and so it will come to the else if condition. Here b is equal to 2, 2 is less than 4, which is true, and it will check the second part, 2 is also less than 3, so it should print this part. Let's see its output. Yeah, b is smallest, it prints this part. So this nested if else statement is used to test the multiple statement. Nested if, the nested if statement contains the if block inside another if block. The inner if statement executes only when specific condition in outer if condition if statement is true. So let us understand the nested if concept through a program. So I want to print the boys whose are adult. So I will give here gender equal to male and age is equal to 20. So to be the adult male, so the first condition will be the gender should be male, then only another statement $age is greater than 18, then we can say that he is a adult male. So here the second age check statement is there using if. It will only executes if gender is equal to male, which means if the first condition is true, then it will only execute the if condition inside it. I think here is some spelling mistake, gender. So it will give me the result is a adult male. Let's see its output. As he is an adult male, if this condition is false, so let's make it female. So if the first if condition is false, then it will not even check the if condition inside it. So let's see its output. It should not print anything. Yes, it don't even check the if inside if statement. This is all about this video. In the next video I am going to explain about the switch control statement. Thank you for watching Technology 0 to 1.